Hi, I'm Zach Stopyro with Onduline North America. Just wanted to speak with you a little bit about our product, Onduvilla. So here's our display. We're currently at the Las Colinas Home Show, but our display today is with the terracotta color. We do this just to show some of the details close up. You'll see our rake details, our ridge vent details, and we're a fully ventilated system. Most roofing systems only have ventilation at the peak. We also ventilate at the eave. Here where you can see a bird stop that actually lets air in through each of the corrugations. Okay. Now, the corrugation in our product leads us to look more like a tile product, but by simply changing some of the colors to a red, like you'll see here, or some of our other options like gray or green, you can very easily get a roof that would look more like a classic metal roof. All of the products that we offer are corrugated. They all offer our what's called windproof warranty. So no matter what color you choose, you will get a warranty that states as long as your home is structurally sound, our roof will be 100% intact.